Hello friends, Tanya here from Trinity Stamps, and today we are going to play with some kids and a stage. I pulled out the curtain call stencil and I am going to make a purple curtain today. I'm just using 3 colors of Distress Oxides, and I've started out by laying down a layer of the the lightest color. I put down the second layer with the mid-tone, and the third layer with the darkest tone. And then I'm going to use the mask to cover the area I've already ink blended with the stencil, and I'm going to finish making the curtain. And you can make this curtain any length you want by just putting the scalloped edge border as high as you need it to be. You can even lengthen this if you needed to. And then I have found that the best way to add the details on the thin strips here is not to use a circular motion, but to do a single direction. And I chose up and down. And then you just line up those little scallops on the bottom each time, and there are etched lines on the stencils that help you line up to the previous stenciled area to keep it all nice and straight. And there we have the completed curtain. Now this is a mini slimline that I'm going to be making, so I'm going to take one of the mini slimline die sets. I believe this is the modern edged with the circles. And I added one little bit of shading underneath the swag on top. Now we're going to use the center stage scene building die set to add the stage. We're not going to add the audience because this is just a little too small of a card to create that. Added a little dimension with some coaster blanks here, and I had already colored all of these children from the from the Mime set, and I used a sentiment from the the Balancing Act stamp set. And I wanted these to look like kids at a school play. So I colored them to look like kids with different colored striped shirts instead of mimes. So this extends the versatility of that stamp set. They don't have to just be mimes. I love that they have various positions that they're standing in, and that you can make them point to that sentiment. I added some shimmery little stars from my stash, and that completed my card. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you come back again soon. If you're interested in any of the products I used, they are listed and linked in the description box below. And there are a couple more videos here for you to enjoy. Until next time, bye-bye.